Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a professional and stylish PowerPoint title slide for 2025. So, without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. First, we will set your slide's background. Right click, go to Format Background, then choose Picture or Texture Fill. Insert your image from Files. Next, insert a Smart Art Matrix design. Go to Insert, click on Smart Art and choose Matrix. Select this, then OK. Go to Convert, select Convert to Shape, then ungroup them and remove the extra elements to keep only what you want. Go to Format, select Color from Shape Fill and remove Outline. Now, let's customize your shapes. Add a rectangle shape, drag it, select and duplicate it using Ctrl-Shift, slightly rotate and select both. Use the Merge Shape tool to subtract and create a unique design. Remove outline for a clean look. Adjust colors. Next, add ovals to enhance the design. Duplicate twice. Increase size. Select the other two shapes and duplicate them. Select this and this oval shape and merge them using Subtract. Select them and reduce their size. Remove the outline. Select white color from Shape Fill. Go to Shape Effects. Click on Shadow. Select this outer shadow from Preset. Adjust the transparency and blur to make it stand out. Duplicate the oval shapes again. Change the color. Reduce the size. Now, add pictures to make your slide more dynamic. Select both to combine pictures into a design. Click on Merge Shape. Select Intersect. Then, do the same process with the rest. Add inner shadow effect to enhance the visuals. Adjust the blur. Select this and increase the transparency of shapes to reveal the background image. Finally, add your title, subtitle and presentation details. Adjust the text for clarity and ensure everything is aligned perfectly. And that's it. Your professional PowerPoint title slide for 2025 is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials for more amazing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.